Ever wondered about the challenges faced by paper and film manufacturers due to traditional paper cores? These cores, once the industry standard, have inherent issues. They suffer from poor crush strength, making them less durable. They have low dimensional stability, limiting the size of the rolls produced. They're also susceptible to moisture dampening, compromising the quality of the rolls. All these issues restrict productivity and increase costs. It's clear that traditional paper cores are not the most effective solution for paper and film manufacturers. Enter Arihant's HIHT PVCcores, a superior solution to the problems faced by paper and film manufacturers. Arihant Polymer Extrusions, a pioneer in the industry, has developed these high-impact, high-tensile PVC winding cores, which are revolutionizing the way manufacturers approach production. With an innovative design that maximizes productivity and cost-effectiveness, these cores also offer sustainability advantages over traditional options. They are crafted to be durable, reusable, and resistant to environmental elements, making them an ideal choice for a wide range of applications. Arihant's HIHT PVC cores are transforming the paper and film manufacturing industry. But what exactly makes Arihant's HIHT PVC cores superior to traditional paper cores? Well, let's dive in. Arihant's HIHT PVC cores offer high dimensional stability, ensuring no loss of entire rolls due to core damage or dog boning. This stability is a game changer, improving the quality and sustainability of operations. Then, there's the high reusability factor. These cores can be used 6 times the lifespan of paper cores. Imagine the cost savings. Moreover, these cores resist moisture and termites. They can be stored in open areas, saving valuable warehouse space, and are perfect for all food-grade plastic films. No more damage or losses due to monsoons or critters. And let's not forget the excellent scrap value. PVC has a high demand for recycling, making it a more sustainable choice that also fetches a good return. With Arihant's HIHT PVC cores, paper and film manufacturers can increase their productivity, reduce waste, and save money, all while making a positive impact on the environment.